So keep solving our physics subject GRE. Okay, so 61, and be sure to subscribe to my channel before you're watching. And okay, so what is the equation motion of rocket? Okay, so the m is the mass velocity. So basically, you can view this equation as ma, right? This is ma. So this can be viewed as a force, minus force. So F equals to ma. Okay. Okay, so what is the U means, right? U represent the speed. So because the unit say that the unit of U should be the same as unit of V. So basically this is force. So basically we should choose E. Rocket exalted relative to the rocket. So the answer is E. The answer is E. This is one way to another way to see it's basically you can see it's dp over dt. So this is mv equals 0. So you can view this term is just comes from a Leibniz rule. So we should use a rocket is exalted relative to the rocket. So choose E. And 62, it gives you the V and M as about and the initial as about the answer. Basically, this is not the physics question. This is just solving this differential equation. Okay, so we want to use solving the relationship of V of M. So basically, this is simple. That we just do the so-called separation of variable. Okay, and then we do the integration. So we have times on constant. Okay, and so this tell plug in the answer when m equals to m naught, v equals 0. Tell you that this answer should be u times log m naught divided by m. Okay, so this is the answer. And which one? So u times log m naught divided by m. So there's no. So the answer is E. None of above. None of above. Okay. I think that's it.